Well, this Friday marks the anniversary of that tragic duck boat accident that killed 17 people, including 9 members of the same Indianapolis family. Tia Coleman and her young nephew were the only ones from their family to survive. Tia lost her husband and 3 children when that boat sank during a storm while they were on vacation 1 year ago this week. In a statement tonight, she says the crippling pain of loss continues every day. She goes on to say, quote, "I draw hope and energy from their memory to fight to ban dangerous death-trap duck boats like the one that killed my family and others. I am grateful for the efforts of prosecutors as they work to hold all those responsible for this crime accountable," end quote. So far, at least 3 duck boat workers have been charged in this case. Today, Tia has started an online petition urging lawmakers to ban duck boats. So far, nearly 8,000 people have signed it. We posted the link on our website at WTHR.com.
One man